Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I wanna show you how to paint this nice winter deer. We also gonna use a transfer foil, but before we start I have an announcement for you guys. It's a bittersweet announcement. It was a hard decision for me, but after deep reflection I decided to move with my watercolor tutorials to my main YouTube channel, DK Design. And why is that? Simply because it's hard to run two artistic channels without feeling that you might neglect one. I am a multimedia artist, hence I like changes, and this is exactly what you can find on my main channel. I am drawing, coloring, painting, and I also make reviews. You can find many interesting videos, like for example this one where I am showing how I frame my artworks. I want to create a special playlist under watercolor name on my main channel to make it more convenient for you guys while searching for new tutorials. I think this change is for better for you guys and for me as a creator as well. Maybe one of my videos inspires you to start your journey with other art materials? You never know. But that's exactly how I discovered my passion for other art media. I want to thank you guys for your support on this channel, and I want to encourage you to subscribe to my main channel so you won't miss my tutorials in the future. And since all is said and done, we can move to this tutorial, shall we? I'm using a Canson Moulin du Roy hot press paper and my trusty watercolor brushes from those three brands. We are gonna start from masking fluid because I have trees area to cover. I want to paint the background of the forest first without worrying about bird trees to stain from the background colors. When the sketch is secured with masking fluid, now it's time to prepare our colors of paints. They will stay in this order for your convenience so you can follow my moves and also see how I mix colors. And now we are ready to start. I am starting from the background, wetting the shadow area. Mostly I will work wet on wet technique in this project, so whenever you see no color on the page, it means I put there some water first so pigments will spread better. If you make a mistake, don't worry. Just grab a paper tissue and lift the paint up. I decided to use this special beautiful color by Daniel Smith. It's red Fuchsite genuine. It has a lot of silver sparkles that will show up on the paper when dry. I absolutely love it. And now we are moving to deer's horns and head. I'm still working wet on wet. I want to deepen the background color, so I added red Fuchsite genuine here. When you are happy with the background, you can take off the masking fluid, but you must be absolutely sure your paper is completely dry. Now we can move to trees. I am working again wet on wet, And only at the end of this process, when trees are almost done, I am waiting till paper is slightly moist to add some fine details on the bark of trees. Now the hardest and the longest part. Adding black contour. Our hand must be steady and precise because we need those black lines to be straight. That's how deer looks so far, but I feel like I need some final touch. Rose gold foil. Inside this marker is glue. You need to wait a little till it gets stucky, and then you can put transfer foil on it. And voila! Winter deer is ready! Thank you so much guys for watching, and please consider to join me on my main channel because I won't be uploading new watercolor tutorials on this channel anymore. For more information, check out my description box please, under this video. I really hope to see you in my next video. Bye!